Good morning, children. So, hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with our previous chapter only, that is chapter 2. And the name of the chapter is File Management Organization of Data. So, children, in the previous class, I have told you how we can manage the file, how we can store the file inside the folders, how we can copy the file or folder from one location to another, how we can move the file from one location to another, what are the various ways of moving or copying the files or folders, how we can even store that in external storage device, that's pen drive, CDs and all. Okay, children, so this is very useful and important topic usually we need to do. So if you need to carry a data, you should know how to copy or how to move the data either from the computer to storage device or from storage to computer. Even our computer allow us to work with multiple files, multiple application at the same time. So since computer is one sort of storage also, we use computer for storing the datas, records. So there is a chances of losing the data, forgetting the datas, where you have stored, in which location you have stored. So it become quite tough to search the data manually. Suppose you have some important document and you kept somewhere and you forgot the location where you have kept, and suddenly your parent or maybe someone asks you that please bring that file which I have given you, bring that data which I have given you, and you have just lost the location where you have kept or where you have stored that. In that case, what happened? You search at your home in every place, just here and there, like cupboard, everything, but the chances of getting the data is very less, very few. Okay, the probability is very less, say 50-50. Maybe you get or maybe you don't get. You need to work on 2-3 days for searching that, and ultimately you may success if that is lying somewhere safe. But do you think this problem we face in computer? No. If you need to search a data, we have an options. Searching option is there, but searching option has also some advanced feature in computer, that is wildcard searching. So children, see, when we are searching something, search, so there also we have an option wild card. There is a wild card character which we can use in a computer to search when we don't remember the location, when we don't remember the file name. Just a minor hint is enough to search the file, that also very fastly. You don't have to search the entire file, you don't have to check the entire document stored in a computer. Just the limited one, you can extract it, you can check your useful data are there or not. So children, when you use wildcard characters, we have two. One is asterisk, another is question mark. So there are two differences. When we work with single character, or maybe see, like one example, say capital C, then asterisk, inside that I'm giving dot. That means what? It will search a file whose name is starting from letter C. But here see inside asterisk what I've given? Dot. That means it has some extension. Now what is extension? Extension is the file format. Like for images we have JPG, for audio we have MP3, for video we have MP4 or AVI, for document we have docx or doc, for spreadsheet we have XLS or XLSX, PowerPoint also we have PPT or PPTX. Not only for this much, like PDF, every file we have a format. That format is known as extension, and that extension is displayed only after dot. Hardly it has 3 or 4 character, not more than 4. You won't get. So children, when I'm giving just C and dot, that means I'm specifying computer that please find out the file or folder whose name start with C, but it has extension. So when we talk about extension, that means it can't be folder, it may be only files. So our search becomes easy. Now say suppose I can write in this way also, C asterisk dot docx. Now see, here I'm limiting that you just find out the file name which start with C, but extension is docx. In upper, I didn't mention the extension. That means it will find out MP3, MP4, ABA, any formats, JPG, any format. But in second case, see, I am just specifying the extension. That means it will search only the document file. Same way I can give for MP3, MP4 and other file format also. So searching becomes easy in this way. We can search in this way also, like say APP question mark. That means I've just written the three letters. Now computer will find out all the file whose or folder whose name starts with APP. Maybe Apple, applications, all, whatever. So you just need to remember a few things and computer will search the entire part from you. You don't have to give stress on this. Even this both asterisk and question mark you can use together also. That means you can give the first letters APP question mark, and here I can give dot say more specifying docx. Now this means what? This means you have to find out the part which start with application, that means app, and has a docx extensions. See, specifying becomes more easy. Searching becomes more easier. You don't have to give double asterisk also. You can remove the last asterisk. Still the computer will find out. That means you don't have to be specific to point. Just you need to remember the use of asterisk and question mark. Computer will search out that. But yeah, file format is very important. If you are searching for image and you are writing docx, that is wrong. Docx means it will find out the document file. But you are searching what? Image file. That means it should be JPG. When you are searching audio, MP3, video, MP4. So children understood about the search of different files and formats. In the same way, we can use sort feature also. SORT. Now sort is the short form of sorting. Sorting means it is used to arrange the files or folders either ascending or in descending order. It's normal definitions. But in computer we can arrange the files or folder by their names, by their date modifieds, by their type. So there are three different ways by modifying this, sorting this. We can sort, we can arrange it by the size, by the type, by the date modifieds, by the name. So there are different options available for us to sort the files or folders. So children, in file management, what are the things we learn and what are the things are more important and we need to focus on that? Number one is what is file, what is folder? What are the uses of file, what are the uses of folders? How to copy or move the files folder between various drives, maybe internally, maybe externally, but from both the way. Thirdly, how to search, the searching technique. Okay, and the fourth part, the sorting of files or folder in a proper order or proper manners. So children, based on this topic, this is our chapter 2. So I'll be giving the homework also, the exercise part. Chapter 1 also I had given and I hope everyone has completed that. In the same way, same manner, chapter 2 also you need to complete in your copy so that when school get reopened, I will be rectifying that, I'll be checking that. So hope everyone will do this. Now see, this is your homework.
So children, based on the today's video, today's topic which I have explained just now is chapter 2, and from chapter 2 the homework is given. Okay, the exercise part are given as homework. In the same way like I've given in chapter 1 also, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks you have to do by yourself, and question answers are given. You need to copy, you need to write in your textbook. Clear children? So see children, your first exercise, that is number A, multiple choice question. You can use dash characters to locate a file in the computer. That means to search a file from the computer, which option we tick, we use wildcard, trump card, data card. So out of these three options, one is correct, that you need to tick. Question 2. Which file extension is used for image files? As I have explained in the video, there are so many type of extension. Extension means which appears after file name and dot. It can be maximum of 3 to 4 character. So in this question you have to tick the correct answer for image files, whether it is .mp3, .jpg or .docx. So the correct answer you have to tick the extension for image file, that means pictures. So this is your multiple choice question. Let us move to next exercise. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. That means this is for true or false. So the first question, file management helps you to access, edit, manage and organize files or folders. Number 2, capital C, then inside the asterisk sign dot is there. Will search all the files whose name starts with C, that's capital C, followed by any number of character and extension. Number 3, Windows does not allow, you to work on multiple applications at the same time. Children, that is work, W-O-R-K. It's not W-O-K, it's W-O-R-K, work. Number 4, the sound files have the extension .mp3, the sound file, okay, the audio file, the songs, they have the extension .mp3. So there are 4 questions. You have to write T or F. T for true statement, F for false statement. So now let us move to next exercise. Answer the following. There are 3 questions are there in total. Question number 1, what is a file? So as I have said you, there are file and folder. Files are any document, picture, images or something like that, whereas folder is the container of files and even subfolders. So our first question is, what is a file? So let us see the answer. Any picture, document or presentation created on a computer is called a file. Question 2, write the steps to sort the files or folder. Sort means arrange. Answer, there are 2 points. Point number 1, right click. Mouse has 2 buttons, right and left, so we have to right click, Right click on any empty area of the window, any empty area, blank area. And point number 2, select sort by options. Sort by options are available. You'll get there multiple options like sort by name, date modified, type. You have to select any one. Okay, childrens. See the next question. Question number 3. State the use of wildcard character. Full stop. Explain with the help of examples. Answer. It is used to represent one or more characters when you are searching for files or folders. Example, capital C, inside the asterisk dot is there, will search all the files whose name start with C, capital C, followed by any number of character and extension. So this is question number 3. In total you have 3 questions. Your work to write down multiple choice question, fill in the blanks by yourself. You need to watch the video. Last class and today's video both are chapter 2. You need to see properly, understand it. Easily you can do, and question answer write down in your copy all together. Okay, I will be checking this when school gets reopened.